take a paddle brush just to brush out the hair. I'm gonna be wand curling it, so I like to have it untangled first. And if your hair is not all the way dry yet, just wait until it's dry, because you don't want to be shifting your wig trying to brush it. And also I would suggest, if you love your hair and want to keep it, don't just comb through it. Like, you want to take care of it as if it is your own hair. I mean, not product wise, but love wise. The wig is pretty dried on, so I'm gonna start curling it. I'm gonna be using my Hot Tools wand. I use this all the time. I love it so much. It's already on and it's hot. No, it's not actually. I thought I turned it on. So I usually have it at high. So as you can see, the settings go from low to medium to high to extra hot, and I usually stay at about 5. But while that's getting hot, I'm just going to use my Chi 44 Iron Guard. Chi 44 Iron Guard. It's a thermal protection spray. I got this from TJ Maxx for $3. So I'm just going to spray this from afar. I don't want to make it, you know, super product-y. For me, when I first did this wig, I had to work on my part a little. So if you want to like smooth it down any, this is a good tool to use when actually smoothing down your hair. I want to do like kind of like combed out, I don't want to say beachy waves, but just super soft waves. So I'm going to start, let's see if it's hot. It is hot. I just start by grabbing a piece, any piece. I usually do the bangs last, and depending how tight of a curl you want will be how much hair you grab. So I'm gonna grab about this much because I want it to be a bigger curl, and I curl away from my face and I wrap it around the wand all the way to the bottom. And so I'm gonna keep it on here for a little while, no more than like 5 to 10 seconds. And then I let it go. Oh, and it got caught. And then I just keep going on, grabbing decent sized sections, not too small, not too big. Because if you make it too big, the curl won't, like the heat won't permeate through all of the curl. Oops. And then it won't actually curl properly. And I'm just gonna do this all around my head. I don't undo the curls yet because I like them to kind of stay in place for a while, so that when I do comb through them, it actually is still curly and it's not, you know, just straight and kind of messy looking. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now. It's like super curled. Like I said, I just curled it and left it. I haven't like pulled any of them apart yet, but I wanted to show you guys how I do the front of my hair. So I personally like to I like it to kind of go up, and I will do baby hairs, but so I do this so that it's kind of like coming up and down, sort of, if that makes sense. There we go. If you do this, you have to make sure that your actual lace is blended. And then I take this, that's like my bang, I guess, like a long bang. And you do want to make sure that it's brushed through. And then I curl away from the face. And boom. That's how I literally do the front. And look at that wand curl though. I love my wand. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of like just finger through it to give it a more wavy look. And before I usually leave my curling tool on just in case I want to curl something else. So the longer you wait to undo it, the curlier it's gonna be. But look how healthy and curly it looks. See, like I might curl this. Oh, she started to act right. Hold on. So this is how I style the hair. So the last few steps of actually doing my hair involve doing my baby hairs and then like making sure that the hair is blended. So first I'm going to just take a toothbrush and I use my Eco Styler gel and I use my Gorilla Snot. And then I'll just take the toothbrush and put it into the Eco Styler. First I like to just take some hair and smooth it down just a little. I don't want it to be anything like super obvious, super like dramatic. So after I've done my baby hairs, if I can see like some of the lace, I take this Black Radiance pressed powder. It's like a brownish color, and then I take just a brush and I go through and I just kind of blot it so that it blurs the lace. And to do this, you can use eyeshadow, like you can use black or brown eyeshadow. But it just gives it more of a blurred look so that people aren't like, what am I looking at? It just looks like it's your skin. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like now after curling it, putting it on, all of this stuff. This is the final look. You enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.